In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change address on Booking.com. We'll walk through the process on a computer using a web browser like Google Chrome. This will update the address saved in your Booking.com account profile. It's quick, but there are a few important details to keep in mind so everything shows up correctly later. Start by opening your browser and going to www.booking.com. Log into your account with your usual credentials. Once you're signed in, look at the top right corner of the page for your profile icon. Click it to open the menu. From there, choose Account Settings or Personal Details, depending on what you see on your screen. Both options take you to the same place where your personal information is stored. On the Details page, scroll until you find the Address section. Click Edit to make changes. Carefully type your new address exactly as it should appear, including things like apartment or unit number, city, state or region, postal code, and country. Take a moment to check spelling and formatting so it matches your local postal standard. If your browser tries to autofill the field, verify that every line is correct and up to date. When you're done, click Save. You should see the page refresh or a small confirmation indicating the change worked. If the page doesn't update right away, try refreshing your browser. You can also sign out and sign back in to confirm the new address is now listed in your profile. A few important notes before we wrap up. The address you just changed is your account or profile address. It does not change the address connected to any hotel bookings you've already made. Existing reservations typically keep the details they were created with. If you need the address associated with a specific reservation to be different, for example, for check-in communication or invoice purposes, contact the property directly through your reservation's message area or reach out to Booking.com support for guidance. If you're a host managing a property, updating your personal account address here won't change your property's location. To modify the property address, open your property settings in the hosting dashboard and update it there. If that field is locked due to verification, you'll need to contact support to complete the change. That's it. By visiting the website, signing in, opening your profile, editing the address field, and saving, your Booking.com account address is now up to date. Keeping this information accurate helps with receipts, communications, and account security. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you make the change with confidence.